Hi friends, let's read and spell some easy three-letter words together. Our first word is cat. C-A-T, cat. Can you say cat with me? Cat. Great job. Let's find another word. D-O-G, dog. Can you spell dog? D-O-G, dog. Awesome reading. Here comes another one. Bus. B-U-S. Can you say bus really loud? Bus. Let's keep going. Hat. H-A-T. Let's spell it again together. H-A-T. Hat. Great spelling, everyone. One more word. Are you ready? Car. C-A-R. Car. You're such a good reader. Fantastic work. Let's sing a song. Great job reading. Great job spelling. You did amazing today. Clap your hands and sing along. We learned new words today.